Back to my YouTube channel Aspire Knowledge. Hi, I am Japneet and I am back with the new topic of EVS, which is seasons. Let's start with our today's topic. What are seasons? So क्या है seasons? Let's study. A season is a division of year marked by changes in weather, ecology and the amount of daylight. तो weather कैसा है उस दिन का, उस महीने का और कैसी daylight रह रही है उसके according seasons divide किए जाते हैं साल में कुछ महीनों में. The cycle of seasons is caused by Earth's tilt towards the sun. So seasons कैसे decide होते हैं? जितनी पास हमारी Earth sun से होती है उसके according या जितनी दूर है तो जो distance है उसके according sunlight कितनी हमारी Earth पे आ रही है उसी के according seasons का cycle बनता है. There are 5 seasons in India. So mainly although we have 5 seasons in India, but some places only have 2 seasons like summer and winter, and some have 3 seasons or 4 seasons. But India is a very diverse country. Here we have all 5 seasons. So we are lucky that we see all those 5 seasons in one year. Let's see what are the seasons, different seasons. First one is spring. Second, summer. Third, monsoon. Fourth, autumn. And fifth is winter. So we are very lucky that we face all the seasons in India, whether it is for short duration or long duration, but we have all 5 seasons in India. Starting with the 4 main seasons, which are majorly like they're consuming more time of the year, so they are the 4 main seasons, which are spring, summer, fall and winter, and fall is also known as autumn. All right, so let's start with the first season, which is spring season. So what is the spring season, or how we feel, or how is the weather in the spring season? Let's study about that. So spring is the season succeeding winter and preceding summers. So ये कौन सा सीजन है जो विंटर्स के बाद और समर से पहले आता है? So it's a very pleasant kind of season. It is in March when the duration of sunlight becomes noticeably shorter and the temperature cools considerably. So कब आता है ये? मार्च में आता है और जो डे लाइट है वो थोड़ी शॉर्टर होती है, विंटर से थोड़ी ज़्यादा, बट समर से थोड़ा सा डे लाइट कम और टेम्परेचर थोड़ा कूल होता है. Spring refers to the season as well as to ideas of rebirth, rejuvenation, renewal and resurrection. तो कैसा है इसमें आप बहुत रिन्यू rebirth सा फील करते हो, प्लेजेंट फील करते हो, बिकॉज इट्स सो नॉट हॉट, इट्स नॉट सो cool, it's like very pleasant. Sun is bright but air is little bit normal, not so cold, not so hot, so you feel good in this weather. This is how the spring season looks like, bright and sunny, but it is not hot. Next, moving on to summer season, the second major season we face in India. So summer is the hottest of the 4 temperate seasons. सबसे ज़्यादा hot होता है ये वाला season. Summer season is from April to June. So March में spring, then April to June summer होता है. In this season, hot dry winds called blue blow. So बहुत गर्म हवाएं चलती हैं इस सीजन में, और जो वो गर्म हवा होती है उस हॉट एयर, हॉट विंड को बोलते हैं लू. We use fans, coolers and AC in summer. So this season is too hot that we use all the appliances which cool us, like coolers or ACs. people enjoy eating and drinking cold drinks. So कोल्ड चीज़ें, ठंडी चीज़ें खाना, आइसक्रीम्स एंड कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स एंड जितना भी कुछ ठंडा हो सकता है सबको वो खाना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है। ठंडे ठंडे फ्रूट्स और कुछ भी बेवरेजेस। In this season, we wear cotton clothes as they keep us warm. So most of the people, like 95% people, prefer to wear cotton clothes. Why? Because they are very cool. They soak our sweat and give us cool temperament on our body. So that's why we wear cotton clothes. In this season, you can see in the picture the sun is so hot over our heads, the wind is so hot. So this season is the hottest one. Now let's move on to next season, which is monsoon season. So monsoon season brings rain in month of July and August to the most parts of India. So इस सीजन में क्या होता है, बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश आती है। जुलाई और अगस्त के मंथ में ये सीज़न आता है और बहुत सारी बारिश लेकर आता है। सो वेदर इज़ वेरी गुड। This brings relief to the farmers. So this rain brings relief to the farmers because you know that India is so diverse. It can grow so many types of crops. So this rain brings so much of relief to them. We use raincoats, gumboots and umbrellas to protect ourselves from rain. So क्या क्या चाहिए हमें रेन से प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए अपने आप को? Raincoats, gumboots and umbrellas. Yes. So this is how children enjoy in monsoon season, and you can see rainbow in the sky. It looks lovely when rainbow comes in the sky, and children enjoy it during the monsoon season, play in the water in the rain, and they also play with paper boats in the water. So it is very enjoyable in monsoon season. Now moving on to the next season, which is autumn season. Autumn is also known as fall. Autumn marks the transition from summer to winter. So autumn को fall भी कहते हैं और autumn आने का मतलब है कि अब समर खत्म हो गई है और विंटर आ रही है. So it is a transition. एक वो टाइम पीरियड जिसमें गर्मी कम होती जाती है और धीरे धीरे थोड़ी थोड़ी ठंडक बढ़ने लग जाती है मौसम में, और इससे हमें पता चलता है कि समर्स जा रही हैं और विंटर्स आ रही हैं अब. It is in September when the duration of daylight becomes noticeably shorter and the temperature cools considerably. So ये कब होता है? सितंबर में, और दिन थोड़े से छोटे होते हैं समर के अकॉर्डिंग, बट विंटर से थोड़े से बड़े डेज होते हैं और टेम्परेचर बहुत कूल होता है इसमें. This is how autumn looks like. Now let's move on to next season, which is winter season. So winter is the coldest season of the year. So सबसे ज़्यादा ठंडा season कौन सा है? Winter. December and January are the coldest month of winter season. Hilly places experience snowfalls. So December month में सबसे ज़्यादा कोल्ड होता है और जनवरी में, और कई बारी हिल स्टेशंस जहाँ पर माउंटेन्स है, हिली एरियाज हैं, वहाँ स्नोफॉल भी होती है. वी यूज हीटर्स एंड स्मॉल लिट फायर्स टू कीप अस वार्म. सो कई ऐसी प्लेसेस हैं जहाँ पर इतनी ज़्यादा ठंड हो जाती है कि उन्हें स्मॉल लिट फायर्स, बॉन फायर्स या हीटर्स की भी यूज़ करना पड़ता है ताकि वो अपने आप को वार्म रख सकें. People enjoy eating and drinking hot things. So इसमें सबको गरम गरम चीज़ें, टी, कॉफ़ी और some kind of snacks which are very hot, they prefer to eat those kind of things. In this season we wear woolen clothes as they keep us warm. So इस सीजन में हम क्या पहनते हैं, गर्म वुलन कपड़े, ताकि हम अपनी बॉडी को वार्म रख सकें. You can see in the picture that children are enjoying in the winter season and they are making snowman with this. Snowfall is going on, so they are basically enjoying, they are wearing woolen clothes, protecting themselves from cold, but also enjoying it. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you liked it and you have understood all the concepts I have given in this video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and also comment in the comment section if you want me to make some kind of special videos for you. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay home. Stay healthy.